Hi, my name is Paul Garnett. I'm Director for Technology Policy at Microsoft. The TV Whitespace project here in Limpopo, South Africa, essentially involves the deployment of a TV Whitespace and Wi-Fi network using the University of Limpopo campus as the network hub. So we're tapping into the San Ren National Backbone Network here on the campus, and we've deployed a three-sector point-to-multipoint TV Whitespace network, and we're connecting up 5 schools that are essentially within 8 or 9 kilometers of this location. And to each of those schools, we're providing high-capacity broadband access and Wi-Fi connectivity for ICT labs in the school. So we have these portable ICT labs with Windows 8 tablets and access to applications and services for the students who attend those schools. What we're hoping to get out of the project really is to take a look at commercial models around the deployment of this low-cost wireless technology, and we're looking at the impact of the project, both social and economic impact on the communities and on the beneficiaries. We're going to be doing some socioeconomic studies on this project and other projects we're doing around Africa. So we're bringing in a team of economists to take a look at, really from baseline over the course of the next 18 months, working with the schools, doing surveying, doing diagnostics on the network, seeing what applications are used, how those applications impact the network, what kind of throughput we get from the network, and seeing how this can have an impact. And then from this, we will learn a lot about what will be of most benefit to the communities in the education setting. And also about how the network operates and how we can deploy more efficient networks and new kinds of business models in various different environments, including in rural parts of Africa or South Africa and also in urban areas as well. So we've engineered this network to provide at a minimum a megabit per second to every user. So that will enable a typical user at a school to be able to stream video, use internet access, search the web, do email, and use latency-sensitive applications like, for example, Skype video conferencing. So anything from high definition, consumption of video to really latency-sensitive applications like video conferencing would be enabled on the network. We've only had this up and running for really the last month, and with the ICT labs in the schools. So it's really early days in terms of assessing the overall impact of the project. I mean, there's some early indications, and we'll be able to see that today when we go visit the schools, and of course, it has an immediate impact on the students who otherwise have never really had access to the internet, or certainly not in the way that we're enabling through this project. So there certainly is immediate learner impact, but we're really not going to know the overall impact until this project is running over several months, and we'll be able to go back and see the impact. And we're expecting there to be significant impact, but we really won't know until this thing's been running for a while.